Hello? What happened?
I lost the boxing match.
Practice hard to win.
Is that true?
That's right, you should practice more.
Okay, I'll try.
Alright, let's go!
I brought you some water to drink.
Thank you so much.
Nothing.
I will definitely win.
I won't let you in my way.
Oh, yes!
A few moments later.
3, 2, 1, go!
Round 2.
You are so stupid.
Oh no!
Alright, let's go!
This person has been poisoned. Wait a minute.
Okay already. Sir, yes sir!
Let's go!
Okay already.
Yes!
Alright, let's go! Sir, yes sir! Okay already. No! God, please, no! Okay already. Okay.
Oh no!
Okay.
Yes!
Okay. Yes!
sir!
Aha!
Okay, okay.
Alright, let's go!
Yeah!
Alright, let's go!
Oh no!
Yes, sir! Okay already!
Let's go!
Alright, let's go!
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
Okay.
Cause every time I wake up, I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an
Okay.
ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then, baby,
Alright, let's go!
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward and never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set and rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Check CCTV footage to find the culprit. So it was him.
Transfer the rest of the money to me.
Okay, I'll transfer it to you right away.
It's all your fault.
I don't know anything.
Me too.
I have proof that you poisoned.
Forgive me.